let's try kung you can answer what is facts and what is opinion. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
Okay, what is fact and what is opinion? Dance! Okay, stop! Lions, everybody! Lions can roar loudly. Opinion. Yung lion. Ooh. That is facts. Very good, Gemma. Okay, next. Everybody dance. 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 Dance, everybody. Ami mo dance 70. Okay. Buhol, everybody.
Region 7 Central Visayas.
Very good. Everybody dance. 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 You're killing.
Then Stacy.
Okay, I think everybody.
I think Rose is more beautiful than Daisy.
Oh, if you use I think, that is opinion. Kaya mo gamit pa mo think. I think. Everybody. I think. Everybody.
I think.
Okay, di na tinuod. Okay, everybody dance. Dance. Everybody dance. This is an example of a sentence. Cats, everybody, are smaller than elephant. Again.
Cats are smaller than elephant.
Okay, what is that? Opinion. F. What is F? Facts. Anong facts man? Yes, because obvious that cat is smaller than elephant. Let's give hand. Yay. Another sentence.